So we had a little help getting this table unboxed. Kemar pushed it into place while Kyrie decided it was a perfect ride. Real life, right? We opened it up and honestly everything was packed really well. You get a tabletop pieces, legs, screws, everything you need to get it set up. So Kemar started the assembly and of course I jumped in to help with the tabletop pieces. It was pretty straightforward, no crazy tools or complicated steps. And here she is, fully assembled and looking good. The design is sleek and the table feels super sturdy. One of the coolest things is that it's retractable. Here, Kemar is breaking it down to show how the tabletop panels store neatly underneath. Then we reattach it to the entrance table setup. It's giving multifunctional realness. Now for what everyone really wants to know. How much can it hold? I've added a few heavy items, books, laptop, and even leaned some weight on it. As you can see, it holds steady, the frame feels solid, and there's no wobble or bending. That's a big win in my book. I just love how easy it is to extend and retract. It glides smoothly, no extra tools needed, just a simple pull and you've doubled your space. So, if you're looking for something space-saving but still functional, this table from Joysource is worth it. It's solid, easy to set up, and perfect for switching between workspace and entryway in minutes.